Hello everyone, it's James here. I hope you're doing well. So today is walk day and I'm not very hungry this morning, so I'm just going to have a small bowl of shreddies and that will get us going somewhere. I don't know where we're going to go today, but hopefully it'll be very interesting. So that is 45 grams of shreddies and 133 millilitres of semi-skim milk. So that's breakfast had. Now it's time to actually find the place I want to go to.
I found this fairly steep gradient on my walk this morning, and it got me thinking that this might be a good bit of training for my mountain walk later this year. Call me Keith Sutherland because I am a lost boy right now. I think I'm fairly near where I've got to go, but yeah, I think I've got to crack Google Maps out and see. Right, I'm here. I found a nature reserve in the middle of town, so I'm going to have a little look around. With all the walks I've been doing, I've come to appreciate nature and the peace I find when passing through places like this. Weighing 500 pounds, I used to see areas like parks and nature reserves as somewhere everyone else could go to. Me? Well, there's always a YouTube video to watch of someone else walking. Now, it's me doing the recording, and maybe there's an individual out there in the same position as me. I hope they see this. I hope they take their first step and know that impossible is just a word. So we are 4 miles in now, nowhere near home like Sunday. Been a nice explore even though we got a bit lost, so I think I'm going to find somewhere to have a coffee. That's me home now. I did 7.34 miles in total, which is almost 12 kilometers, 11.8 kilometers to be precise. So we literally went round the houses today. That was a really good walk, a really good explore. I didn't see any animals at the nature reserve, unfortunately, and obviously with it being January, that was going to be very unlikely anyway, which is a shame, but we can go back there in the summer and see. I'm really pleased. It's a great day, and I hope you all have a wonderful day too. Take care of yourselves.